The Pacific sleeper shark, Somniosus pacificus, is a demersal and benthopelagic species with an average length of 4.4 metres and a maximum length that can surpass 7 metres. This observation occurred to the west of the Tonga Trench. We assume that it was fairly big, around 3.5 metres long. It was at 1400 metres depth. And due to the lack of observable claspers on the pelvic fins, we've identified it as female. She goes straight for the camera. From this view, we can see completely inside the shark's mouth. Not too long after that, she realises it doesn't taste very good and goes for the bait. It was around 2.5 degrees Celsius, which makes sense as we know that they prefer cooler waters. In fact, it's usually found in the North and Northeast Pacific. A couple of observations reported this species in the Solomon Islands and near the Chapman Islands, confirming its presence in the southern part of the Pacific Ocean. Thankfully, the wire we put around the bait doesn't seem to get stuck in her mouth for very long before she swims away, giving us a full view of her size.